Hello, my dear friend. I don't want you to be overwhelmed today with your clutter. I want you to determine what you're going to do today. So if you look around and you see clutter everywhere, I want you to stop that right now. And I want you to look at just a small portion. And that's what you're going to work on. It's like, how do you eat a frog or how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. But if you do it every day, 4 days a week, 53 weeks out of the year, maybe take away your vacation weeks, maybe 51 weeks out of the year, 50 weeks out of the year, you're going to get a lot done. So today I want you to work on just a small portion, about the size of a banker's box. Determine what you need to go through before you start, and then make your decisions. Do I need to throw this away? Do I need to give this away? Can I keep this? If you're going to keep something, number one, you have to have room for it. If you don't have room for it, then you're going to have to be tough on yourself a little bit and say, you know what, I'm grown up. I can't keep all these things. I have no room for this. This is impairing my family's life and my life. The first thing you would want to do when you are deciding to keep things is organize them in light groups and say, wow, I've got, 5 staplers. I probably don't need 5 staplers. I probably need one good stapler. I've got 4 pairs of scissors. I've got 24 mugs, and there's only 4 of us in this house. Go through your things and make some really smart decisions today and declutter. And when you're done, after 15 minutes, stop. Put away the stuff you're going to keep, throw away the things that need to go in the garbage, and take the giveaway to the back of the car. Make it a great day.